Hello, everybody. Today's book is Today I Will Fly. All right. Do you think pigs can fly? Let's see. Wow! Super pig! Bum, bum, bum. Okay. Gerald and Piggy are sitting here. And she gets an idea. Today I will fly. No. You will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Whee! Boing, 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 boing. Fly, 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 fly. Boing, boing. Boing, 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 boing. Fly, 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 fly. She's moving her arms really quickly to try to fly, huh? Oh, you need help. Oh, thank you. I do need help. I will get help. Right. Whoa. Woof, woof, woof. Oh, that's a big scary dog. Run, Piggy. Fly, Piggy, fly. Woof, 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 woof. Boom. Wow. I did it. I flew. Fly flew. I flew. Thank you for your help. Bye. Oh, he's a nice dog after all. You did not fly. I did not fly? Huh? Piggy, you jumped. I jumped? Yeah, he jumped really high up on the elephant's head, right? Bing! It was a big jump. True. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye. Fly, fly, fly. Oof. Ooh, maybe Mr. Pelican can help. You need help. I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. That's nice. Thank you. Where is he? Hello? Hello? Oh, hello! Oh my. Whoa. You are flying. You are flying. You are flying today. Whoa! My friend can fly. She can fly. I am not flying. Oh, you are not flying? I am getting help. Yep. Oh. Thank you for your help. Tomorrow I will fly. Uh-oh, you think elephant's gonna fly? Good luck. Elephant's much bigger and heavier, right? Whoa, bum bum bum! Elephant flying with pigeon.